This is V from a Canadian RVer, eh? What I'm showing you in this video is I was quite excited about this new product that we saw here at the Frog Rally in Goshen, Indiana. And Frog Rally is the Forest River Owners Group, the rally that happens every year, the International Frog Rally. So what is this? This is actually a product called Snap Pad, and you can see from the lip that's around here what you're supposed to do is put it down on your levelers, and it kind of takes away that you have to pack it up with anything underneath that won't sink into the ground, or you have to put wood underneath it or anything else like that. So I thought I would give them a try, and what you do, they tell me, is you put soap along here, like some kind of a hand soap or a dishwashing soap to lubricate this. The pad will go actually here, it will self-center in here and then pop in and under this lip, so you never have to take them off again. And I understand they're quite hard to get off again. You might have to cut them off, but it has a hole right in the middle to allow any water or moisture to separate from the pad. So the whole idea is that you just put your levelers down. It actually sits on this kind of a hard rubbery substance. Not sure exactly what it is, but they tell me it'll take the kind of weight of a Class A. So let's go outside. And my levelers, and I have another product that it's sitting on right now. It's called a Bigfoot, and that's that orange big pad, and underneath I have a piece of plywood. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the slides in first, put the jacks up, and then we're going to put the Snap Pad right on there, and maybe just use the Bigfoot to support it and see how well they work. On the driver's side, I've got the same thing, but I wasn't 100% level. That's why I put two pieces of plywood down, my Bigfoot, and then the levelers on those. So here we go. We're going to start putting on the Snap Pad.
Okay, coming down on the front. Yeah. Yeah. Coming down. Whoa! Okay, I'll go get the other one. Oh, it's out.